Cutting concrete piles can be annoying, and there are many problems. The dust, noise pollution, potential damage, low efficiency, and rising labor costs. In fact, you may have other options. Unimate Pile Breaker. Let's have a final competition. Round 1. Pollution control. Differs from other destructive ways. The breaker causes less dust and noise. Is safer and cleaner. Round 2. Efficiency. The traditional way almost takes half a day for a pile. However, the pile breaker only needs about 20 minutes, more than 10 times faster. Round 3. Security and flexibility. The pile breaker cut off the pile without any destruction, whereas other methods may cause irreparable damage. Also, thanks to the modular design, the pile breaker extended and switched freely. Unimate, the winner! Driven by hydraulic, front-mounted cylinder design, ultra-abrasive alloy head, the service life of Unimate Pile Breaker greatly improved. Giving you the best is all we want.